Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from Google Drive to OneDrive, Dropbox, Box, and even Amazon S3. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to myaccount.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Google account if you haven't already. This will give you access to your account management dashboard where you can control all your data transfer settings. After you've successfully logged in and you're viewing your Google account management dashboard, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu with several options. Click on Data and Privacy. This section is where Google keeps all the tools related to managing, downloading, and transferring your personal data across different platforms. Once you're in the Data and Privacy section, scroll down the page until you locate the Tools section. This area contains various data management features that Google offers. Under the Tools section, you'll see an option labeled Download Your Data. Go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to a page called Google Takeout, which is Google's official data export service that allows you to transfer your information to other cloud storage providers. Within the Google Takeout page, you'll notice a comprehensive list of all the data files and services associated with your Google account that you can choose to transfer. This includes everything from Google Drive files to photos, emails, and more. Simply select the data from the list that you wish to transfer by clicking on the checkbox next to each item. Take your time here to ensure you're selecting exactly what you need to move. After you've made your selections, scroll down the page until you see a button labeled Next Step. Click on it to proceed to the Transfer Configuration page. This is where you'll specify where you want your Google data to go. On this page, under the Destination section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it, and you'll be presented with multiple options to transfer your data. You can choose from OneDrive, Dropbox, and Box as your destination platforms. Simply select the destination where you wish to transfer your files. This flexibility allows you to move your data to whichever cloud storage service fits your needs best. Once you've selected your preferred destination, click on the button that says Create Export. After clicking, you'll need to wait a few moments while Google processes and prepares your data for transfer. The time this takes will depend on how much data you're exporting, so be patient during this step. Once the export process finishes, your Google data will be successfully transferred to your selected destination, and you can freely access it from OneDrive, Dropbox, or Box. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.